Hi family, it's Natural Healer Viola just coming to you. We're going to talk today and learn about how to make rosemary oil. So first you're going to need some rosemary. So I have some rosemary essential oil. I have my container that we're going to put it in. And today we're going to use olive oil. So make sure you get some extra virgin olive oil. They do have fake ones out there, so just make sure you get the good stuff. I have the cold press. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pour our olive oil into our container. So I have a little measure so it won't make a mess. Yep, so you just pour it in there, and yep, so you just pour it in there about halfway. And then you need about, the rule of thumb, it's 10 drops to every 1 ounce. But with rosemary is strong, we're going to just use 10 to 12 drops. So right now we're going to just use 12 drops. So let's get it out there. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, well, 13. I'm hit 13. So we're under 15. So right now with the rosemary is very, very powerful, you guys. I love rosemary. We're gonna just shake it up 50 times. And a rule of thumb, you already know, make sure you shake it up. Yes, rosemary is very, very powerful. So you hit it about 50 times. Shake it up about 50 times. Yeah, so you already know. And that should be it. So you already know the great benefits of rosemary. Let's say if you have a headache, do you know all you gotta do is take some rosemary, put some in the palm of your hand. I just put a drop, put some in your palm of your hand, rub, and just smell it. Just smell it, and that should make your headache go away. Pretty good, huh? Rosemary is very powerful, so you already know. I, I always talk about essential oils being so strong. Rosemary is strong. The great benefits of rosemary, like I said, it study shows, and if you read up, it heals, it stops, it alleviates headaches. So it's very powerful. You just rub it at the bottom of your hands. Another thing is good for blood circulation. So if you take some rosemary oil that we just made and rub it on the bottom of your feet, it helps with circulation. So if you know somebody has blood clots, it actually reduces the blood clots. Another thing you can do, you can actually take the rosemary and put it maybe a half a teaspoon in your mouthwash. It actually heals. It actually reduces plaques, help with gingivitis, and also helps with cavities. So it's pretty much good. So this is a powerful um, oil. Another thing that it does, it actually eases muscle pain. It eases joint pain. So if you, like, let's say if your shoulder hurts, you just take some essential oil and rub it on your on the area where it needs, where where you want to alleviate pain. It also helps that, let's say if you was in a stressful situation, it also helps the cortisol. You already know that when you're stressed, cortisol is produced. Just taking this and just breathing it in, just actually open up and breathe it in. It actually reduces the cortisol in your saliva. Pretty strong, huh? Another thing it does. So another benefit of rosemary oil, it actually helps with the skin. It actually improve, it makes your skin glow. If you have like swollen eyes, puffy eyes, what it actually does, it reduces the inflame, it reduces the inflammation of acne. Very powerful. Another thing it does, it actually relieves your cold and flu. So if you have, cold and flu, just taking just a drop in some tea or water, it actually helps improve. Another thing it improves the your respiratory activity. You actually just breathe this in. It's very powerful. It helps your respiratory disorders. It actually helps fight cancer. A lot of research is going on testing about rosemary oil with the and actually rosemary oil actually aids in liver detoxification. It enhances the gallbladder function, which is wonderful. It improves cognitive function. So there you have it. Rosemary oil. Very, very good, very essential. If I was you, I would definitely add it. If I was you, I would definitely make mine today. It's easy. All you need is some olive oil and the essential oil, rosemary essential oil. Not that hard, you guys. Pretty much easy. Just shake it up, put it in there. Rule of thumb, you just need less than 15 drops. It's very powerful. So I would just use between 10 to 12 drops, to be honest with you, because rosemary is very strong. So rule of thumb, 10 drops for every 1 ounce. This is a 1 ounce, and I put 12 drops. I actually put 13 drops in there. So I'm going to add a little bit more of olive oil to be on the safe side, because the essential oils are powerful. So there you have it, how to make rosemary oil and the benefits. You have a great day. Bye.